Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So alright guys, so we made a very big VIP bomb. So we are going to blow it. So in this drum we use pure oxygen, the LPG gas and petrol. We're going to blow this thing with this battery and wire. Right, let's try this. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's do this.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Three, two, one.
Let's see in slow motion.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper.
Hey guys, as you guys can see, it blows. It's awesome guys. I never thought it will work. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Guys, it's actually finally worked. And now, so okay, bye bye.